Hi friends, for our writing center today, we're going to focus on our listing skill that we've been doing. So we have the starter, my monster, my monster. So I want you to think about your monster that you made at the art center. Now, if you remember, I made my monster red and blue. So I would say my monster is R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red, I can spell red. My monster is red and, now that's a sight word, so and, A-N-D. My monster is red and blue. I know how to spell blue. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? So my sentence says, my monster is red and blue. And then I'm going to add a period at the end. My monster is red and blue. Now, you're going to write to describe your monster. So you can make a list. You can use the joining word and if you would like. All right, friends, I will see you back here soon.